This week in health and science news, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is issuing a rule barring the public from commenting on HHS rulemaking. But there are laws regarding this, so expect litigation to happen. And Robert F. Kennedy Jr. authored an opinion piece on Fox News that stated that the measles outbreak is a call to action for all of us and that the MMR vaccine is crucial to avoiding potentially deadly disease. While in the opinion piece, RFK Jr. stated that you should speak to your children's physicians about getting the MMR vaccine to protect them. He also stated that use of vitamin A for the treatment of individuals, particularly children in the hospital with measles, is being approved and pushed out, which is causing a lot of physicians online to be up in arms, having to explain to individuals why you cannot just give your children vitamin A and think that they will not get measles. In sad news, a gentleman named James Harrison, an Australian who donated blood that saved over 2 million babies, has died. His blood contained an antibody called anti-D, which was used to prevent hemolytic disease of the fetus and newborn. But not to worry, there are other donors still out there who have this very rare antibody that will still be able to take over his legacy of helping children. In other news, older self-employed enrollees are more likely to lose ACA subsidies if the enhanced tax credits lapse at the end of the year. Beneficiaries who earn 4 times more than the federal poverty level wouldn't be eligible for any subsidies on marketplace plans if they are not extended. People who are close to retirement or are recently retired are one group who would disproportionately lose subsidies. In really cool news, scientists have harnessed phantom limb to allow amputees to feel hot and cold in a new prosthetic. Basically, they take a patient's existing prosthetic and then put some sensors and thermodes in it, which allows the patient to feel hot and cold. The patient could distinguish a cold water bottle from a hot water bottle. So this is going to be really cool if we continue to be able to get people's sensation back in limbs that they have had to have removed. And last up, omalizumab treats multi-food allergy better than oral immunotherapy. A clinical trial found that omalizumab, also known as Xolair, treats multi-food allergy better than oral immunotherapy, which is used to help people who have allergic reactions to really small amounts of particular foods. That's it for the news stories this week. I'll see you next week.